The first year of teaching was really, really tough. It was very difficult. Very, very difficult. Parang ang layo. There was a time na talagang nag-breakdown ako. I cannot speak in front of the class. I was just there at the back. Sa room ko kasi may cabinet kami for the chemicals. So doon ako. The class was about to start. I was still hiding in there crying. Kasi I don't know how to start the class. So parang every time I open my mouth to speak, umiiyak lang. So my assistant principal came over, you have to go home. Ang ganon, we will take care of it. So
Wow, di ba?
hinatid pa ako
Tayo
kasi
kahit
wala pa
may sakit na siguro tayo. Ha? Ano, kaya mo yan, teach. Ikaw pinauwi ka. Because mental health is really important for them.
Hi, don't forget to watch the